In this situation, the employer has not provided specific equipment. The employee's feet are not flat on the floor, creating pressure on the back thighs or behind the knees. The operator can place their feet on a box, seat, or folder in order to reduce the pressure and promote good blood circulation. The screen is too low, causing neck pain. The screen must be raised to eye level. The top part of the screen is at eye level while the head is straight. Here you will need an external keyboard. The keyboard must be placed 15 centimeters from the front edge of the desk, allowing 2/3 of the forearms to be supported. The keyboard should be flat on the desk and its legs folded to allow a proper wrist position. The back must rest against the backrest while not putting strain on the lower back. You can create a lumbar support cushion using a rolled towel or scarf. It must be placed between the chair and lower back. The mouse must be placed as close as possible from the keyboard and the body.